Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Search Console to support schema validation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Search Console for schema validation, begin by visiting the Google Search Console website. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button. You will see a prompt to add a property. Enter your website's URL in the provided field. Make sure to select the correct protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS. Click on the Continue button after entering the URL. You will be presented with several verification methods. Choose the HTML tag method for this process. Copy the meta tag provided for verification. Now, open your website's content management system or HTML editor. Paste the copied meta tag into the head section of your site's HTML. Save the changes you made to the site. Return to the Google Search Console and click on Verify. Google will check for the HTML tag you added. Once verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can access the Search Console dashboard. From here, navigate to the Enhancements section on the left menu. Select Schema to view validation options. With your site authenticated, use the tools provided to validate your schema markup. Explore the recommendations and fixes suggested by Google. Implement any necessary changes on your website. Regularly check back for updates on schema validation in the Search Console. This will ensure your site remains optimized for search engines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.